Hello honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a lace frontal install. The first thing I did was to braid her hair going straight back. I want a very flat install for the frontal. This is why I'm taking this step. After braiding her hair all the way back, I will be doing a ball cap method. If you would like a more detailed video on how I do my ball cap, let me know in the comment section below. So I took the Got2b spray, I sprayed her hairline back, and now I'm just combing it in place. I will be taking my blow dryer to mold all the hairs back. I don't want no hair poking through my frontal, so I'm making sure I do this before I apply my cap. The cap is on, and that's the frontal. This is a custom color by me, and now it's time to apply this frontal. I'll be sewing down the back first. I always start in the middle. This way I am assured there is no humps, no lumps, and now everything will be flat. I took her makeup color and I applied it to the frontal. I'm making sure every inch of the frontal has her makeup so it's blended evenly with her skin. After doing that, I placed the frontal down just to ensure it was properly blended. Now I'm using my hot comb to comb back the hair just to see what I'm working with. I'm using the wipe with 91% alcohol and I'm wiping her hairline off. I'm going in with my blow dryer right now, and like I said, if you watch my previous videos, you will know all about my steps and why I do them. I applied the Bold Old active glue, and now I'm using the tail comb to spread the glue evenly across her hairline. I normally use 3 layers. I wait until the glue turns clear before I apply my next layer. The discount code for this video is Muffin. After applying all my layers, I'm just taking that frontal and I'm placing it exactly on her hairline where I place my glue. I'm just lining it up with her hair. I'm using my fingers to press the lace into the glue, and now I'll be going in with my blow dryer. Next, I'll be tying her lace down to further melt it in her skin. I'm taking the bundles and I'm stitching them in. I did use the water bleaching method to achieve this color. After bleaching the hair, I added color to it. I will be placing the color that I used in the description below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at honeyscloset_beauty_bar and on Facebook Honey's Closet and Beauty Bar. So basically what I'm doing right here, I'm just sewing her bundles down. I'm just going side to side, side to side. If you guys would like a more detailed video on how I stitch my bundles down, let me know in the comment section below. Like I said guys, just be patient. If you're trying to do your own hair, if you're a stylist and you want to improve your skills, just be patient, invest all the time in your work, pray, and you will definitely see results. All our bundles are in. I'm just taking the comb and I'm just combing through her hair just to make sure it's good to work with. I'm sectioning off the back and I'm just parting it in two so I can start with my one curls. If you don't know how to do a one curl, you can look closely. You can replay this part as much as you would like. I take the one, I wrap the hair around the one, and now I'm just sliding my hands off with the curl and I blow on it a little, then I pin it. I will be repeating this step until the entire head is completed. If you are a beginner at one curls, I would suggest you use a glove. Now I'm finished with the one curls. I'm taking out all the pins that I placed in earlier and I'm just getting ready for the final look. I'm placing the makeup in the part. I'm touching the front up a little. I will be going in with my hot comb. Now I'm just using my fingers to comb through the curls I did earlier. I am just applying some hair polisher to our hair right now. Please remember, when you bleach your extensions, you always have to treat the hair, as bleaching strips the hair of all the natural oils. If the hair is not treated after bleaching, it will always appear dry and trashy. So you want to make sure the hair is moisturized at all times. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.